We're getting more updates on the encounter operation that was launched by our forces last evening in the Malura Parampura area of Srinagar. What we are getting to know that 2 terrorists, including top Lashkar commander Nadeem Abrar, have now been eliminated in this encounter operation. The encounter for now is over. What we are getting to know that this top LET commander was said to be involved in several terror activities and killings as well of 2 army soldiers and 3 CRPF men as well. Let me straight away go across to Zeenat because Zeenat, earlier the reports came in of Abrar's arrest and thereafter he has now been eliminated by our security forces when he went to the hideout there to give more details as to what his next operation, terror operation would be. And Zeenat has first up got us this report from this later encounter that has taken place on the elimination of this top LET commander. Let's play that out first.
LET commander Nadeem Abrar along with 1 foreign terrorist have been killed in Malura, Pampore here. In fact, Nadeem Abrar was arrested by Jammu Kashmir police yesterday during Naka checking, and then he was leading Jammu Kashmir police to one of his hideouts where the hiding Pakistani terrorists fired upon security forces, triggering an encounter. In 12-hour long encounter, 2 terrorists have been killed and arms and ammunition too have been recovered. Jammu Kashmir police, particularly IG Kashmir, counts this operation as successful and one of the important ones because Nadeem Abrar was involved in the killing of territorial army persons here in Kushipura, and also he targeted CRPF recently in Lavepura, in which 3 CRPF men along with one of the officers lost their lives. So this is coming in Srinagar. If you talk about this year, so far 3 foreign terrorists have been killed in Kashmir Valley, 2 were neutralized in North Kashmir and 1 now today in Srinagar.